What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Epic Jane, and today I'm here with a unboxing hair tutorial, hair review, an unboxing hair review for you guys. I just started selling hair. I have my own link to this website, Epicjane.Mayvenn.com. You will also find that link down below. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into this video. So here is our packaging. We have our packaging. Came yesterday in the mail. So we're just gonna undo this together. So in here we have a card. Say you're going to love your Mayvenn hair. It talks about the 30-day quality guarantee, which is amazing because most sites and hair websites don't usually have this. So you can exchange refunds within the 30 days. So that's the 30-day quality guarantee. It also comes with instructions on washing the hair, shampooing instructions after the installation, daily maintenance, and recommended products for this hair. So that's also very helpful too. Okay. Oh, these are so cute, guys. Look what they come in. They have their own little bags. Let me say Mayvenn. This is so cute, and I believe I got 3 bundles. I got an 18, a 20, and a 22. They're all individually bagged. These bags are awesome. They're so cute. Because I always get hair that's in like the little plastic shits that stink. Like, this not going to smell like plastic because it's in the fabric bag. A nice little silky fabric bag. And make it look very, very, very official. So, I'm going to start with the smaller bundle. The 2022. And I don't want to rip this. This is like a sticker. So on this sticker, guys, it's the type of hair, the type of style of hair, and the inch. So I have Malaysian body wave 18. All of them are Malaysian body wave. I did not do a closure this time because I've been natural for about a good 6 years now, and I just want to, see what it looked like with me having leave out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get this made into a U-part wig. And yeah, I'm going to have leave out. So I didn't order the closure, but after I, try this hair and wear it, I'm going to be doing some updates for you guys. So here's the hair. Body wave 18. Check it out, the net. This hair is, oh wow. This hair is really soft, guys. And as you see, I'm running my fingers through it, and I literally have no shed. Like, there is no shed here at all. Like, no shed. This hair is so soft. Wow. And if you look at the width, it's very neat and well constructed. Very little beards here. It is a few flyaways on here, but that's nothing that it can, can't be fixed, which isn't bad. Let's check out these ends, guys, because I'm all about ends. Usually when I order hair, like, I usually get like from AliExpress or like, other little sites or whatever. And when I get the hair, the ends of it always be like a dry, brittle, It's just straggly and not right. It's just not right. So y'all can see these ends. I mean, it's kind of the curl. It's like this curl pieces of hair. It's like out the curl pattern right now, but it's there. But you guys see the ends. It's very soft. They're not split at all, so that's good. It's the 18. Show you guys again. Okay. The Malaysian Body Wave 20-inch. And I'm just gonna stick these little stickers back down in the bag so I won't get them confused. This is the 20-inch. Oh, and you can really see the end through the neck. Like, y'all see how popping that is? I think I'm about to be, like, so in love with this hair. Like, if y'all could feel this hair right now, hunty. It won't even be no questions asked. Do you hear me? I really cannot wait to wear this hair. I'm definitely going to be doing, like, a 1 month and a 2 month review on it. So you guys can, know how the hair is. It's, my first time wearing it as well. I really heard it was really good. I also watch another YouTuber, Peak Mills, and she's a Mayvenn girl as well as I am. But she been in the game, so yeah, I love her look with the I think she wear the deep wave from Mayvenn. But yes, honey, her hair be popping. But y'all see me running my fingers through. No shed, no tangle. It literally, this does not have a smell. Like, it do not smell anything. It smells like fabric. Like, this does not have it. Y'all know how y'all get the hair and it got that little stench to it? Not this. This smells so fucking good. Once again, neat, well constructed with very little beards, guys. So, it's not many flyaways on this bundle. This is the 20-inch. So, I just want to show you guys the difference between the inches. So, like, you can really, so y'all can see the difference. Like, that's a whole hump difference. So, 18, 22, 20, 18, 20. And this is the 22, guys. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm about to get my wig made. Your girl about to be slayed. Like, seriously, guys, come shop bundles with me at Epicjane.Mayvenn.com. Like, I can even give you the promo code, which is also on the website, but like, these bundles are very affordable. The quality check is on 10. Like I said, it's a 30-day guarantee. I'm not going to even get into it. It really is all about how you take care of your hair. Are you wrapping it at night when you go to sleep? Are you putting too much heat on it, putting too much product on it? You got to be very cautious of that because that can fuck your hair up. And you'll be sitting there like, oh, maybe it's a bad batch. No, baby, you fucked it up. And that's just the honest truth. So here is the 22. This is like really long. So like, let me see. This is really long. Oh my God, yeah. Yes. So y'all know if I straighten it, where it's coming right, like to my head.
Oh, baby. Baby, listen.
Like I say, let me run my fingers through here. No shed, baby. No shed. These ends are everything. I feel like it got a lot of bounce, a lot of body. Um, Video. I love this, guy. Very neat. Well constructed. And like these widths is like thick. Like I expected this 22-inch to be just a tad bit smaller. I expected that. But like I probably won't even need all three of these. Like I really won't. And you can definitely see, like, I can't wait. I can't wait. So ladies, get your bundle. Shop with me at epicjane.maven.com. The link will also be down below. Follow all my social media down below, me and my girl. Follow all our social medias down below. The Mayvenn link will be down below. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already subscribed. Y'all make sure y'all drop them comments, them likes, and let us know what else y'all want us to do. So that's all, ladies, for this hair review. I really love this hair. I really can't wait to show you guys my wig. Yeah, it's about to be dope. Like, I just can't wait. Hope you guys love it as much as I do, because like this hair is like extremely bomb. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys later.